G'day. I'm trying to do like Owen, but it's not working. I've got glasses on. Anyway, the lens is over here. And welcome to this chicken adobo collaboration. Let me just push this gimbal over. And we did a collaboration, me and Owen, last year or a year ago or something. And I'll keep this short. He's going to do his version. I've already done mine. And I hope you guys like this video. Chicken adobo, I tell you what, absolutely delicious. Anyway guys, I hope you like our collaboration. I've got to look over here. And I'll see you guys later. G'day guys, now we're going to be doing a chicken adobo collab with Owen, the Osho. Now I've got some Maryland chicken here that I've cut up, taken most of the fat off. I'm going to leave a little bit of fat there so when I fry it, gets that real crispy on the outside, so we need that. So Owen's going to do his version and I'm going to do mine, so I don't know what he's doing, what ingredients he's using, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. Now I've looked at a few menus on this recipe, and so I'm going to vary this a little bit here, a little bit there. So now I'm going to get on to the marinade and marinate the chicken preferably overnight, and in my case that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's get stuck into it. Okay guys, now here's the ingredients for my marinade. I've got some brown sugar here, I don't know, about a tablespoon and a half. I've got some oyster sauce. Now I was going to use hoisin sauce, but because I've got the sugar, that will substitute. So oyster sauce, about a quarter of this sort of cup, probably about 2 tablespoons. Now I've got some light soy sauce here. This is a premium light soy sauce. I've got 3 bay leaves over here. And I've got a ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to be using, there's about a tablespoon of each. I'm going to be using half of this for the marinade and the rest when we cook the chicken. So and also I've got some apple cider vinegar just to give it a little bit of a, just a little bit of a spark in there, a little bit of a tang. So I'll probably be using the same amount of oyster sauce that I've got in there, so won't be too much. About 2 tablespoons will do. And we'll get on to the next step. Okay guys, now I made the marinade. I've put the chicken, Maryland chicken in there. Now I'm going to cover this and put this in the fridge overnight. The longer the better. So once I take it out tomorrow, then I'll get on to the cooking part of things and then we can serve it up. Okay guys, now my chicken was marinated overnight. Taking that out of the fridge. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be a little bit different here. Now I've got a green chili here. I've got a bell pepper or red capsicum, as we call it here, capsicum. I'm going to use half an onion. I've got my ginger and garlic paste there, which was left over from the marinade. I only used half of it. And I've got some good old the greenery there, the spring onion. Now I'm going to fry the chicken first, get it caramelized. Then I'll cook the onion, the bell pepper, the garlic and the ginger, and then I'll throw in some green chili. So we'll get on to the frying of the chicken first. Okay, now I've put some Sana extra virgin olive oil in there. Now I'm going to put my chicken in. Now some of this has got skin on it, which is what I want. I'm going to put the skin side down. And turn the heat down of course. Okay, now I've flipped the chicken over, as you can see. I've got a good bit of brown in there. I'm going to take the chicken out and I'm going to cook the onion, the red bell pepper, capsicum, the green chili, the garlic and the ginger paste, and Okay guys, now I've got my onion, my red capsicum, bell pepper, my garlic and ginger. I'm sauteing now. Put a little bit of moisture in there, a little bit of water. Now I'm going to cook this for another minute or so. I'll take these out, put the chicken back in, put the marinade in, and then finish it off. Okay, the chicken's back in. I put a couple of bay leaves, some green chili. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it for roughly about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off, reduce the sauce down, and then we'll plate it up. And there you have it guys, that's my version of chicken adobo. Now I've got the good old basmati rice over there, bit of seasoning there, a bit of parsley. Now I'll put the sauce all around the bottom of the plate there, side of the plate. Good old greenery there. I'll tell you what, this chicken is melting your mouth. Fork tender of course. But anyway, thanks to Owen. Good on you mate. Always good to do a collaboration. And I'll see you guys later.